What we're going to do today is install DRLs, we're going to install side markers, we're going to find accessory hot, we're going to wire everything up, we're going to buy a splitter, we're going to run cables. We have to do the whole thing because this thing is going out to North America, and a very nice customer of ours has given us permission to film the journey on this Land Cruiser before it sets sail over the Pacific Ocean. Come along for the ride. So hopefully it's not too windy under the engine bay here, so we will tell you our findings. We have hooked up our battery charger to charge it, and guess what? I can't speak for every single Land Cruiser out there, but if you have a Land Cruiser, look down here. This is accessory hot. That one, the second one there. It just so happened to have this random harness here in this huge lunchbox space. You could put 5 dogs here. So that's accessory hot. We're going to be hooked up to that. We're going to hook up to here for our ground. Let's get started. Right, this is our back left and will be our back right as well once we do a bridge. So this one is good to go. We're gonna do our markers on the very corner here. So I got my grabber to go over there, right to there. So engine bay, wire, straight down, coming out right there. So let's pull this on through. Bumpers on, side markers are on, front and back. We're gonna button all that up and push it out of the way. They're just hanging for now. Let us get accessories, see if they turn on. They should, hope to God they do. Okay, good. This side, it's on. This side, it's on. This side is on. Okay, we got all 4 markers wired in. DOT, SAE, 123, ABC.
I'm going to help him, and it will be way faster to get the car ready.
Technically, you are right. Unroll it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We're going to cut it here. Nice. Do you want to do these ones?
Yes.
Connect the 2 wires. Okay. Yeah, thumb it. About halfway. Yeah, fold it in half nice and tight.
Sorry.
It's okay. No worries. It's got to be in there. Let's see.
Oh, no.
No, you got it. That's perfect.
Look.
Yep. No, look. Look. You got it.
Oh.
Yeah, you got it. Watch your back cable. Look what happens when you pull. Watch this. Check this out. See it? With very needed assistance from my boy, because he had the small hands to grab the cabling. Very convenient. We have mounted the DRLs. The DRLs are nicely, safely mounted in there and there. They are double-sided tape. Customer says do not drill. We did not drill. We are going to go to the car. We're going to put it on accessory. That's where the accessory hot is coming from. Grab our key right here. So we should have these lit up, and that and that. So we are all ready to go. We have our DRLs that turn on when the car is on. We have our side markers. We have everything insulated with split conduit, and everything is weatherproof. Everything is loaded up. So that is it on the Land Cruiser for now, and potentially, I'm gonna get out of the sun for this. Potentially kind of forever, because our Land Cruiser is ready to go. A customer chose a very nice bumper. Customer went with DRL upgrade kit and the side markers is ready to go as it stands. This is going to Vancouver, and we will do one final episode on this car where we show it being picked up by the car carrier. We just like to do that to cap off the chronology of the whole thing and make sure everyone knows that the car comes through us, goes on a car carrier, and subsequently gets shipped over to where it needs to go. So that's it. Toyota Land Cruiser is ready to go. Till the next one, we'll show it on a truck.